I am in love with my hair.
Working on a
This
weekend
is
like
just why
usual.
I just do
Way
it.
off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too.
Hey y'all, so this is gonna be the start of my vlog. It's gonna be either like a couple days of my life, come to my appointments with me, some. I am going to be doing some self-care. I just went to my nail appointment. I didn't get to film before because, sweetie, I was rushing. So I just got my nails done, but I wanted to intro the vlog first. So we're gonna roll the nail clips right now. My nail tech really did what she had to do, so we're about to roll that.
I got my eyes on you. Everything that I see, I want your heart, love, and emotion. Endlessly, I can't get over you. Let mark on me, I need your heart, love, and emotion. Endlessly, 'cause you're a bad boy, you know it. You act so different around me, but you're a bad boy, you know it. I know exactly what you could be. Just so now we're going home. Just so now we're going home. Just so down we go. Just so down we going home. Just so down we going home, going home. Just so down we going home, going home. Just so down we're going home, yeah. Just so down we're going home, going home. Oh yeah. Sipping on this Hennessy, and all that I can think about is you, and it's true. You got a spot of calm in my green that Mary J could never get to me. Bro, I got the remedy in my vein, and all that it will cost you. Just a little time, night, and these all sketch walks that I'm lost to.
Okay, so we're back, and these are my nails. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm in love. Like, these are so freaking cute. So I'm obsessed with them. I'm in the car right now. I'm about to go inside and eat because I've been getting my nails done since 9 a.m. and it's 1:48. I just got home, so I'm about to go eat, hit in the house. First, I'm about to go take some nail pictures of my nails. They match the aesthetic of my car, so period. But think I'm about to do like a face mask, some self-care and stuff. I'm probably gonna go get my toes done with my boyfriend later. If not today, then tomorrow. Tomorrow I have a hair appointment, so y'all coming with me, period. But I might just go. I already asked my boyfriend, so I don't want to go without him. So I'm gonna go eat, do what I gotta do. I gotta wash my hair, so I might do that too. I don't know, but my nails are done, period. I got a shorter length this time because I just thought this would look cuter shorter. I wasn't getting short nails, so I'm not a short nail sis, so I'm not a shorty sis. So I got like medium length. To some people it's still long. It's not long to me, but it's still cute. Oh girl, not to be played with. I'm gonna take some Instagram videos, like boomerangs of my nails, posted on here because I'm obsessed. But I want to intro out the vlog because I didn't get to intro it. My hair looks crazy. Don't even mind it, y'all, because I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. This is unacceptable. But yeah, so I'm about to take some Instagram pictures of my nail real quick. Hopefully me and my boyfriend go get our nails done. Hopefully my boyfriend go get our toes done later today. It's been rainy and stuff, so I heard we need to get in the house before it starts raining. So I'm gonna talk to y'all in the next clip. Hey y'all, so yes, so I'm in the house now. It's freezing in here, so I'm about to change because I just got this light shirt on. My room's a mess, y'all. This is what I'm going to self-care day. There's no explanation as to why my room looks like this. Honestly, it just looks crazy. Ooh. I have a whole tripod, but I'd rather buy and shoot on my Eco Salad gel. But it's freezing in here. I'm honestly about to go eat and watch some Netflix. I'm tired, so my boyfriend's not ready no time soon. Then I'm just gonna wash my hair and stuff and just get that situated. And yeah, but I'm freezing right now. I can't even think. Just to go eat a seafood bowl. I have that downstairs and everything. My nails are so cute. Like, it's really not to be played with. I love the length. Like, this is just so classy to me. Like, this is giving very much elegance, very much classy. But a lot of people always equate like longer nails as like less classy, but not true. Okay, not true. But I just love the length of these. Like, super cute, period. But anywho, I'm gonna check back in with y'all when I'm a little more warm and fed. And yeah, my boyfriend just texted me, so I'm gonna see what he says, because that determines what I do for the rest. Like, for this whatever, I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm delusional right now. I've been sitting down for hours. I'm hungry, I'm cold. Okay, but all right, I'm gonna hit y'all back up in a minute. Okay y'all, so good morning. It is the next day and I'm about to get ready for my hair appointment. Right now I'm about to finish doing my hair. Last night I shampooed, conditioned, deep conditioned, and blew my hair out, because y'all already know how these Atlanta stylists are. Come with your hair shampoo, come with your hair blow dry. They don't do it for you. But I honestly don't care, because when I get braid styles, I kind of want to just be in and out, because braid styles just take so long, and I just like my patience be running thin when I get braids or whatever. So yeah, so I don't really care, but they gotta do better, sweetie, because I shouldn't have to come shampoo and blow dry all the time. But it's okay. But today I want to get like stitch braids. I'm gonna put my inspo pics on the screen, y'all. I am so serious. If my hair don't turn out right, I'm going to break down and cry. Like, it took me so long to find a stylist who could do them, and it was a whole bunch of stylists that could do them, but y'all not about to charge me $200 for some cornrows. Like, you know what I mean? Like, no ma'am. So I was trying so hard to find somebody who was reasonably price. And normally y'all know I do my own hair, but y'all, doing your own stuff gets very much miserable. And like after a certain point, you're like, I want to be pampered. I want somebody to do my hair, my nails, you know. So I kind of reached that point to where I just felt like over it. So that's the only reason why I'm going like to my appointments, like going back to that lifestyle. It's cool to know how to do your stuff, but I was about to have a mental breakdown. Truly. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so I'm about to, like I said, I blew my hair out last night, so it's already stretched, but you know when you sleep on it and stuff like that, it could kind of like revert back just a little bit. So I'm just gonna go back over it, and yeah. Okay, so stretched out good enough. I feel like I need my ends trimmed again. They don't look see-through, but they can get cut. Y'all, look at this piece right here that I cut trying to take my faux locks out. Yeah, normally I don't use well, my butterfly locks, normally I don't use scissors, but I was lazy and I was just trying to hurry up and do it. And yeah, you see how that went. I'm trying to figure out the best way to keep my hair stretched, because I really have like really bad anxiety getting my hair done by other people, because I don't like for them to make my hair seem like it's very unmanageable and stuff like that. The salon I'm going to is like black owned and everything, like everybody there are black stylists. So, but I've always gone to black stylists, and sometimes they just make me seem like my hair is just very unmanageable. So I'm trying to blow my hair out as best as possible, but I don't know, that's just not a good feeling when you're getting your hair done by people, making it seem like your hair is very hard to deal with, and I don't like that. But it is what it is. So I'm about to just get my hair is super soft though. Like I really did a good job washing my hair this time. Like sometimes I wash my hair and it just don't really be feeling like, you know, like butter. It don't really feeling soft and good and silky, but this time I really did what I had to do. Okay, period. So I'm just gonna go in and do this side, and yeah. Why is my hair like this? Is such a weird cut for my hair. Like you could tell like we be chopping my hair at home, because what type of haircut is that? But okay, I think my hair is good as possible. I hope she don't be on my neck, cause sweetie, this is what I did. I'm so mad about this piece right here. Like, anyway. Okay, hey y'all, so I made it to my hair appointment. It's 9:45. I'm gonna walk in at like 9:50 because I don't want to get there right on time. Like that's ridiculous. My ears are bulging out, y'all, from this, like how thick my hair is in this scarf, so don't mind that. But yes, I'm about to go and get my hair done. Ooh, the glasses, I wear glasses, and I think they were just really tight on my face, because you could literally see the indents in the red, so that's embarrassing. But I'm about to get my hair done. I'm so excited and all of that good stuff. So I'm just in the parking lot right now. Not doing nothing. I look crazy now because of this, but I'm about to put my mask on and all that. Wear your mask. I'm not playing with you, period. And we're about to go in, and now somebody's put it next to me, so I'm gonna talk to y'all in a minute. Well, this is just why I just do my own hair. But okay, so I had an appointment and some other, I think she had like a walk-in or something. I don't know. I got there 10 minutes earlier than my appointment, and yet I still have to wait. So I like 45 minutes. Honestly, like, I'm not tripping, but I just feel like this happens every single time I try to get my hair done. So this is just why, like, I don't get my hair done, like, literally. But it's cool or whatever. Like, I'm just chilling. I'm just about to scroll through my phone. I should have ate, but I didn't. But I don't want to buy any food. So it's just so funny because this happens every single time I get my hair done. But yeah, so I'm gonna talk to y'all when my hair is done, and yeah, fun. Okay, so guys, I'm finally home, and my camera looks blurry. Yay. Okay, I'm only home. I am in love with my hair. Really in love with my hair. I think she did an amazing job. It looks so cute. It's giving very much what I wanted to give. Okay, so it looks so cute, like, period. So until I went, it took way longer than expected. It's like 3:30. We were supposed to start at 10. I think we started more at like 11, but then she had to go get some hair, so like 11:30. Like, it really wasn't that bad. Like, I'm used to long appointments, and like I said, getting your hair braided takes a long time, so I was really like, that's why I already had my hair washed. They were gonna wash it, but I was like, it's already washed. So, and good thing that it was, because like I said, it took a long time. But yeah, I'm obsessed with my hair like this. Like, I'm obsessed. But I went to, it's dark, my room's a mess, so I don't want to show you too much. I went to McDonald's. I just picked me up a large fry and a frappe because when I got my appointment, I got in a really bad mood. So it wasn't the appointment, I was just in a bad mood. So I got some McDonald's to make myself feel better. It's not good. I shouldn't be drinking this. Dairy is really bad for you and all that. It's my laundry in the back for me. But I was like, I don't care, y'all. I'm just in such a bad mood. I'm going to go to McDonald's. Period. So, yes. Hopefully, me and my boyfriend go get our toes done. I want my toes done so bad. So, hopefully, me and my boyfriend go get our toes done. And all that jazz. So, my room is so dirty, and I'm tired of showing y'all. And these walls are so blank because I have all of this stuff to still put up. My room's a mess. That's all I gotta say. But I'm gonna check back in with y'all. Hopefully at the nail salon I'm getting my toes done. Okay, let's hope. For real.
Turn it up, low.
Trying to expose you, don't try
Hey y'all, so I wanted to close out this vlog because I didn't close it out yesterday. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all watched me get my nails done, my hair done, all that good stuff. So I know the vlog wasn't all over the place. I'm really trying to get into the hang of vlogging, so let me know how you guys feel about the vlogs, what videos y'all want to see next. Thank you guys so much for 12K. Period. Okay, so yeah, I'm actually filming another video today. So I'm about to go. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment down below. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one.